How to redeem a gift card on Wayfair. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can redeem a gift card on Wayfair. It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Wayfair account just like I have done here, and then you can see different items that you can be gotten on Wayfair. It is very beautiful. And then the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see the account icon. Click on it, and in the options displayed here you can see my account, others, etc. Just go ahead and click on my account. So once you're taken to your accounts page, you'll see recent orders. By the time you scroll down, you will see payment method. And next to payment method, you would see gift card. And the first option here is redeem gift card. So just select redeem a gift card. So after selecting redeem a gift card, you'll be brought to the page where you can redeem a gift card. You can see you've been given the gift of everything home. Enter your gift card code to add it to your account. So just click on the box here, then enter in the gift card code, then move to the right side and click on redeem. And just like that, your gift card will be redeemed. So if you have questions, you can just scroll down, click on call us, and the numbers that you can call to ask your questions about gift cards will be displayed. Go ahead, make the call, and answers will be provided. So if you are wondering how you can redeem a gift card, this is it. It is very simple. So try it out. Thanks for watching.